Good morning, children. Last week, children, I have told you that there will be a test of the poem The Raindrops next Wednesday. So, here are your questions for the test. Take out your test copies and be ready for the test. I hope you all are prepared for the test. So, take out your test copies, take out a new page, write the date on the left side of the margin. Then, on the first line, write revision test 2. Then on the second line, write poem, The Raindrops. Then you will start with writing with the question answers. Children, first you write all the questions. After that, you write the answers. After writing the answers, tell your parents to check the answers. I hope you all have learned the test and you will not cheat and write. There's no use of cheating and writing the test. Better learn and write it. So now first question is, write one word answer. This question carries 6 marks. There are 3 parts in this question and each part carries 2 marks. So total marks of this question are 6. So the first part is, what is falling from the sky? Question mark. Once again, what is falling from the sky? Second part is, what keeps the child safe and dry? Second part is, what keeps the child safe and dry? The third part is, what sound do the raindrops make? What sound do the raindrops make? Question mark. Now the second question is, what are these people called? I will repeat it once again. What are these people called? This question again is of 6 marks. There are 3 parts in this question and each part carries 2 marks. So the first part is, a person who flies an aeroplane. What is he called? A person who flies an aeroplane. aeroplane. The second part is, a person who bakes bread and cookies. A person who bakes bread and cookies. The third part is, a person who mends shoes. A person who mends shoes. Now question number 3 is, what happens when the sun begins to glow? This question is of 3 marks. What happens when the sun begins to glow? Children, see, this question in your book has some options. But I have not given you the options here because you have to learn those 2 options which I made you tick in the book, and then you have to write the complete answer. I have not given you the options here. You have to write both the options on your own. So I will repeat your question once again. What happens when the sun begins to glow? So this was all there in this test. I will show you the questions once again. You just go through your questions. If you have made any mistake, correct it, and then after writing the questions, write down the answers. After writing the answers, get it checked from your parents. So this was all there in your test. In the next video, we will start with the new lesson of English grammar. Thank you.